How to fix Facebook page not showing up in search. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix a Facebook page not showing up in search. So before we begin, if you guys are new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To fix the page not showing up in a search, you will need to make sure that you're connected to the internet, and also make sure that your page, if you are the admin of that very page, is published. Remove any kind of restrictions. Also make sure that your page has a profile picture, cover photos, and everything, such as a call to action button. And make sure that your page is authentic. Sometimes if your page does not have anything, that might be flagged as a scam or might be a spam page, so Facebook will just filter it out. If that's not the case, and if you have everything that you need, you will need to do some troubleshooting. For that, just long press on the app, tap on app info, then tap on force stop, tap on OK, and after you force stop the app, you can then open it up. After you open up your app again, if that fixes your problem, great. If not, you might have to clear out the cache. For that, long press on the app again, then go to app info. And after that, go to your storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. After doing that, any temporary glitches will be removed. Now, now the last thing that you need to do is try to search for your page from someone else's account. Sometimes it might just not be showing up in your account, so just check that and verify. At the end, if none of these work, try to complain to Google Help, and that will fix the problem for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.